She likes someone else? Perfect. That's exactly where you want to be. Why? Because what I'm about to share with you isn't just about getting her attention, it's about becoming the man she can't ignore. And here's the wild part. The ancient Stoics figured this out 2,000 years ago. Let's dive in. But first, let me tell you what not to do. Because that other guy, he's actually helping us. Listen up. Most guys panic when they find out she likes someone else. They start acting desperate, trying harder, becoming needy. Game over, right? Wrong. Marcus Aurelius, one of the most powerful men in history, knew something most guys never learn. The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury. Translation? While other guys chase, you're going to do something completely different. Here's where it gets interesting. That guy she likes, he's actually doing you a favor. How? Because while he's busy trying to impress her, you're going to use Stoic principles to become unshakable. And trust me, women notice unshakable. It's like having a superpower while everyone else is playing with toy cars. First Stoic principle, control what you can, accept what you can't. You can't control her feelings for him, but here's what you can control, your own value. While other guys are obsessing over her Instagram stories, you're going to focus on becoming the best version of yourself. Want to know the craziest part? The moment you truly accept that you might not get her, that's when you become most attractive to her. It's what Epictetus meant when he said freedom is the only worthy goal in life. When you're free from neediness, you become magnetic. Your action plan. First, master your emotions. When you see them together, stay cool, not fake cool, genuinely unbothered. Because here's what most guys don't get. She's watching how you handle this situation. Every reaction is a message about your character. Here's the most powerful secret. The moment you truly become okay with her being with someone else is the moment you become the man she wishes that other guy was. Ironic, isn't it? If you found this perspective helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Stoic wisdom that actually works in the real world. Drop a comment below with Stoic if you're ready to level up your game. Remember, true power isn't in getting someone to like you. It's in becoming someone worth liking. Here's what makes this next level. While other guys are playing checkers, you're about to play chess. The Stoic approach isn't just about getting her attention. It's about becoming absolutely unforgettable. Listen closely. When she sees him, she sees what he does. When she sees you, she'll see who you are. That's the power of Stoic attraction. And here's the mind-blowing part. The less you try to get her, the more she'll want you. Think about this. Every time she sees you, unbothered, focused, and thriving, you become more magnetic. It's what Marcus Aurelius called quiet strength, and women can't resist it. Here's your power move. While other guys are sending desperate texts, you're building an empire. While they're checking her social media, you're checking your goals. And trust me, she notices. Now here's the game-changing truth. Your supposed weakness is actually your superpower. When other guys are trying to win her over, you're winning at life. And that's what makes you irresistible. Remember this. Every time you see them together, it's not a setback, it's a setup for your comeback. Because while he's trying to impress her, you're becoming impressive. Here's the ultimate paradox. The moment you truly become okay with losing her is the exact moment you become impossible to resist. It's what Epictetus meant by true freedom. And here's the master key. While other guys are trying to avoid pain, you're becoming unstoppable. Because here's what the Stoics knew. The man who can't be hurt can't be stopped.